How PhonePe makes money. PhonePe's revenue has increased exponentially in the last 5 years. Let's know about its different revenue sources. Number 1. Recharge and bill payment. When we pay bills or make a recharge, it gets a commission from the company for every transaction. Number 2. Digital gold. Digital gold can be bought through this platform. It earns a little commission when we buy here. Number 3. Mutual fund. Customers can easily invest in mutual funds using PhonePe. PhonePe charges a little amount as a fee. Number 4. Gift vouchers. We get gift vouchers for making payments which can be redeemed at their platforms. PhonePe gets a commission on every redeemed gift voucher. Number 5. Using app. Different apps like Swiggy, Ola Cabs, etc. can be used through PhonePe. So PhonePe gets a commission from these apps to redirect users to their platforms. Number 6. UPI transaction. The free UPI transaction service attracts more users. PhonePe will generate revenue when they will use other available services. There's around 47% market share of the total UPI transaction in the country. What do you prefer most of these three? PhonePe 47.4%, Google Pay 38.5%, Paytm 7.5% and others are 6.6%. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.